Good morning children, myself Anil sir and we are here at the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhauni Betia. So this is class 8 and the subject is English literature and we are at lesson number 2. This is my second video in this regard. In the first video we had seen some introduction as well as some storyline. So again I am telling it is lesson 2. The name of the lesson is Narayanpur incident and the writer of the lesson is Shashi Deshpande. And this story is set in the background of the Quit India movement which took place in the year 1942. So there are 3 characters in this story: Babu, Manju and Mohan. Babu, Manju and Mohan. Babu and Manju and Mohan, they all are brothers and sisters. So Manju is the sister here, Babu and Mohan are the brothers here. Manju and Babu are the school going students, whereas Mohan is the elder one. So we have seen that when this Quit India movement started, the father of Babu and Manju and that of Mohan, he is arrested and put into jail, and the family as such goes to a smaller place called Narayanpur, and at that place also there is a fervor of Quit India movement, and there also Quit India movement is gaining popularity, is gaining momentum. Mohan, who is the eldest brother, is playing a leading role there, and a procession is all set to proceed, set to come, and it is Mohan, the elder brother, who has invited Babu and Manju to come and see the procession as witnesses. So they have come there and they are all eager to see the procession. So we start further from para 7, which I am reading. There were already some people lining the roads. Manju and Babu found a good spot, almost opposite the gate of the collector's compound. They had to wait for some time. Let us see the meaning. There were already some people lining the road. Lining the road means standing along the road or standing on either side of the roads. Manju and Babu found a good spot. Good spot means a good place from where the procession could be watched, and that place was almost opposite the gate of the collector's compound. So the destination of the procession was up to the collector's gate or compound, and Babu and Manju they had got a proper place to watch the procession just opposite the collector's compound, and they were waiting there. Soon they heard the magical words, "They are coming, they are coming." The children, like the others, rushed out. Policemen appeared all along the road. Some of them walked in front of the students, some by their sides, but the students marched as if the police didn't exist. They walked in complete silence. There were no slogans, no shouts, just the shuffle of feet and a low murmur from the watching crowd. So soon a magical sound came, "They are coming, they are coming." It was a magical sound, means it had a magical effect. People started saying, "They are coming." So the children, like the others, rushed out. Rushed out means came outside. Policemen appeared all along the road. Policemen were there and they all appeared the road. Some of them walked in front of the students, it means before, in front of the procession, some by their sides, but the students marched as if the police didn't exist. It means that the procession was all peaceful, there were no slogans, no shouting, and they were simply moving towards their destination point, towards the collector's gate, and they were not bothered about the presence of police because it was all peaceful. Babu and Manju looked eagerly for Mohan. They were looking for Mohan because Mohan was his elder brother and he was playing a leading role in that procession. Yes, there he was. It means he was seen, dressed in white pajama and a cream colored kurta, with another boy, both holding aloft a picture of Mahatma. Mahatma means Mahatma Gandhi. A picture of Mahatma means a picture of Mahatma Gandhi, holding up aloft. Aloft means high. So Babu and Manju, who had come to watch the procession at the invitation of his elder brother, their elder brother Mohan, so they were all waiting Mohan to appear in the procession, and he was seen soon. And Mohan was dressed in white pajama and cream colored kurta. There was another boy with him, and both of them were holding high a picture of Mahatma Gandhi. So we see that Mahatma Gandhi was in high esteem there, and this Bharat Chhoro Andolan or Quit India movement, it was called for by Mahatma Gandhi. It was Mahatma Gandhi who had called for this movement, Quit India movement or Bharat Chhoro Andolan. So everywhere Mahatma Gandhi's portrait or his picture was there, and he was the de facto leader of the procession. Although he was not present everywhere, but his picture was there, his figure was there, and in the name of Mahatma Gandhi and as per the instruction of his call, the procession was being taken out everywhere. And we should know that it was a procession without slogans, without hue and cry, without violence, as per the instruction of Mahatma Gandhi. So in this video we have seen up to here only. In next video we will see the storyline further. Till then, thank you.